Have you ever felt that everything in the universe might be connected by something invisible? Something more powerful than we've ever imagined? Science calls it quantum entanglement. But what if this phenomenon didn't just apply to particles? What if it applied to you, to your thoughts, your emotions, and the reality you're experiencing right now? But what if you've been using this power unconsciously all your life? Without realizing it, you've been sending out signals into the field and receiving them back. Let's explore what this really means, not in theory, but in your own lived experience. Could this invisible connection be the missing link between your inner world and the life you're creating? Quantum entanglement shows us that particles, even when separated by great distances, remain mysteriously connected. What happens to one instantly affects the other. This connection defies space and time. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But here's the real secret. You are made of those same particles, which means you too are entangled with the universe. Now that we understand what quantum entanglement really is, a deep energetic connection between all things, the question becomes, how do we master it? The key lies in conscious awareness. You begin by observing your thoughts, realizing they are not isolated. Every intention, every emotion, creates a wave that echoes through the field. Step 1. Silence the static. Meditation clears the mental noise and aligns your frequency. Step 2. Direct your focus. Where attention goes, energy flows. Be intentional. Step 3. Embody the feeling. Live as if the connection already exists, because it does. Mastery isn't technical, it's vibrational. And it starts with presence. What if mastering your energy wasn't about learning more, but remembering what you already are? This isn't about adding, it's about aligning. We've talked about energy and awareness, but what lies beneath them? What happens when your subconscious stops working against you and starts working for you? Your subconscious mind is the gateway to your deepest reality. It stores beliefs, emotions, and energetic patterns. Most of what you manifest isn't from your conscious thoughts. It's from your vibration, which is shaped by the subconscious. Think of your subconscious mind as a vault, a vast energetic reservoir hidden beneath the surface. Most people never open it because they don't even know it's there. So ask yourself, what beliefs are hiding in your vault, silently shaping your world? You don't need to fight them, you just need to become aware of them. But once you begin to resonate with higher frequencies, the vault responds. It doesn't need to be forced open. It recognizes your vibration and unlocks naturally. Inside, creativity, intuition, healing, and an energy that's been dormant, waiting for you. When your subconscious becomes aligned with quantum entanglement, a shift occurs. Your thoughts and feelings stop clashing with your desires. You stop chasing outcomes and start attracting them. But if this connection is so real, so powerful, why do so many people still feel stuck, blocked, or powerless? Most people live disconnected, not by fault, but by conditioning. They believe they're separate, that their thoughts don't matter, that emotions are just reactions. But when you buy into separation, you block the signal, you silence the field. You lose access to the quantum web of possibility. This is why alignment is everything. Before this awareness, your energy may have felt scattered. You tried to manifest, but something was always off, disconnected, foggy. But after, with your vibration aligned, your thoughts clear, and your intention focused, you become a tuning fork for the reality you desire. That's not imagination, it's resonance. So the real question is, what are you resonating with right now? Because your frequency is your reality. Here's where transformation becomes real, not someday, but now. Ready to shift from knowing to embodying? Awareness. Observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Become the witness. Intention. Set clear intentions, not just with words, but with feelings. Vibration. Elevate your state through gratitude, meditation, music, nature. Embodiment. Act, speak, and live as if your desired reality is already real. As your vibration shifts, you entangle with new timelines, new outcomes, new possibilities. You're no longer reacting, you're co-creating. The universe isn't somewhere out there. It's entangled with you. Your subconscious, your emotions, your intentions, they all shape the field. Once you understand this, once you feel this, nothing is ever the same again. Because now, you're not just living in the universe, you're dancing with it. And this is just the beginning. You've already felt the shift. Now imagine where this journey could take you next. If this expanded your perception, subscribe for more. This journey is just beginning.